Could we interest you in some chocolate?
Did you say chocolate?
Yes, sir. With or without nuts.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Taylor. Welcome to Chisholm Prism. I thought, let me take you guys along with me in creating a new piece of art to hang on our wall in this apartment. It's fall season now. It's officially October. I wanted to make a giant chocolate bar to have on my wall. I know, it's kind of random. It's just been in my heart and in my mind, so I'm like, might as well just make this.
Chocolate! Chocolate! Chocolate!
Let me show you the inspo that we're working with. So that's the chocolate bar inspiration. So we're gonna try to get here. I actually am already 50% of the way there today, and I'll show you the process of that now. Okay, so this is what we're working with right now. It's a foam board, right, with the cardboard layers just to make it a little thicker. And I carved out with a knife and I kind of cut myself, so this is really made with my blood and my love. I carved out each little indentation so you can really see like the chocolatiness and where you would break it apart. One thing about this material, this foam, when cutting into it, it went everywhere. It's actually so messy to work with, but hopefully once I seal everything up, I'll never have to deal with this foam stuff again. My next step is going to be to cover it in a plaster. So I have these rolls. I used this on a previous project on my channel with my TV when I made it kind of plastery. So it's these rolls that are really good for like paper mache. I also use this to make my light fixture in my dining room. Really love this material. It's so multi-purpose, and all you need is some water and you can pretty much make anything. So I'm gonna use this to create a more smooth surface. So to start off, I'm just gonna take a roll, cut a little sliver, and then I have a bucket of water right here, and then I just dip it in. And then I'm just gonna kind of lay this around. So this is actually my favorite part with doing the plaster. It, again, is very messy. It's everywhere. We have the first layer on. I gotta let it dry for about 12 hours, but I'm gonna wait overnight, and then it should be hardened, and then we can do the final steps. And welcome back. Today we're on the next step of this giant chocolate sculpture, and it's the final step to really solidify this as a chocolate bar. Let's look at it. Here it is. So as you can see, I did cut out that bite piece, and It's like shiny and nice because we did that coat of resin over it, which kind of smoothed out all the bumps and gave it this like really shiny, glossy, almost sweaty piece of chocolate. Like maybe it's been sitting in your pocket for a little bit too long on a summer day. It's actually very light too. This turned out really well. I'm pretty impressed. So this final step is the wrapper. So I realized this was so dusty on the back. It still has a bunch of plaster on it, so it's all over my sweater now. Tin foil. So this is what we're gonna use to create that base. I don't want to wrinkle this too much. To do this like wrapping a present, so I'm just folding in the corners as neatly as I can. And I'll probably have to use hot glue to solidify, make sure it doesn't move. It might be cool maybe to do like a rip on one of the sides so it looks like you tore it open. Let's try that. Okay, the wrapper is on and we have our bar of chocolate. This was really fun to make and I'm excited to hang this up in my house, especially Halloween is coming up. Let me know what costume you're gonna be down below or what your favorite candy is. Hope you guys have a great Halloween season and until next time, bye.